Hello friends, welcome in Bangladesh Math Academy. Today we are starting class 10th Mathematics Part 2, 4th chapter Geometric Construction. Let's start. In previous class we have learned how to draw triangle from the given information and how to draw circumcircle, incircle and some basic construction. So first of all, recall some basic construction. Draw a perpendicular bisector of segment AB of length 8.5 cm. With the help of ruler, draw segment AB of length 8.5 cm. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So in your compass, take further apart half than the distance AB and push till point on point B and draw arcs to the upper side and to the lower side. Keeping the distance same, put still point on point A and draw intersecting arcs to previous arc. Then join this with the help of ruler. So segment AM is congruent to segment AB. Second construction, construct an angle bisector of angle ABC which measures 110 degree. So first of all, draw a ray with the help of ruler. Ray BC, and with the help of protractor construct an angle of 110 degree. Then, with the help of compass, take suitable distance in your compass and put still point on point B and draw intersecting arc to side AB and side BC. Then, take further apart half the distance between these two arcs and in the interior of angle, draw arcs. Keeping the distance same, put still point on the another point of intersection of arc and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then point B and point of intersection of this arc join with the help of ruler. So we draw an angle bisector of angle ABC which measures 110 degree. Draw a perpendicular to line through point lies on it. Draw a line line L and take any point on it. We have to draw perpendicular to line passing through point P. So take suitable distance in your compass and put still point on point P and draw arcs to left and to right side of point P which intersects line L. Then take further apart half then distance between these two arcs and put still point on one point of intersection arc and line. Draw arc to the upper side and to the lower side of line L. Keeping the distance same, put still point on this point. Then draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then join this with the help of ruler. We draw perpendicular to line L passing through point P. Draw a line perpendicular to the line through point P lies outside the line. Draw a line with the help of ruler. Take point P which lies outside the line. So we have to draw perpendicular passing through point P which lies outside the line. So take suitable distance in your compass, put still point on point P. Take distance between legs of compass such that we can draw two intersecting arcs to this line. So draw two intersecting arcs. Then take distance between your compass further apart half than these two arcs. Then draw arcs to the lower side and keeping the distance same, put still point on another point of intersection of arc and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then this point of intersection of arc and point P join with the help of ruler. We draw a perpendicular to the line passing through point P lies outside the line. Divide segment AB of length 7.5 cm into 5 equal parts. So we have to divide segment AB into 5 equal parts. So draw segment AB of length 7.5 cm with the help of ruler. Length of segment AB is 7.5 cm. Then draw a suitable angle to the upper side. Suppose we draw 40-degree angle to the upper side. Then draw same angle to the lower side of segment AB at point B. Then take suitable distance in your compass and draw 5 arcs on this ray. Keeping the distance same, draw 5 arcs on this ray. Give name to this arc: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Then join point A and B5. Then B4, A1, then B3, A2, B2, A3, B1, A4, and last point B and A5. See, we divide segment AB into 5 equal parts. Construct an angle congruent to the given angle. So, draw any angle. Angle ABC. We have to draw an angle congruent to angle ABC. So, draw ray QR. Then, in compass, take suitable distance and put still point on point B and draw intersecting arc to side AB and side BC. Then, keeping the distance same, put still point on point Q and draw an arc which intersects side QR. Then, with the help of compass, take distance like this and put still point on this point of intersection arc and ray QR and draw intersecting arc to this previous arc. Then join point Q and point of intersection of these arcs with the help of ruler. We have to decide these two angles are congruent or not. Then see, with the help of protractor, measure of this angle is 55 degree. See, measure of this angle is also 55 degree. Draw a line parallel to given line and passing through a given point outside the line. Draw a line and line L. Take any point P which lies outside the line. Then we have to draw a line passing through P and parallel to line L. So with the help of compass, take suitable distance in your compass and draw two intersecting arcs to line L. Then take distance between your compass further apart half than these two arcs and draw arcs to the lower side. Keeping the distance same, put still point on another point of intersection of arc and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then join this with the help of ruler. This line is perpendicular to line L. Then see, we have to draw line passing through P which is parallel to line L. Then take suitable distance in your compass, put still point on point P and draw arcs to the upper side of point P and to the lower side of point P which intersects this line at 2 points. Then take further apart half than distance between these two arcs and put still point on one arc and draw arc to the left and to the right side. Keeping the distance same, put still point on another point of intersection of arc and line and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then join this with the help of ruler. See, we draw line M which passes through point P is perpendicular to this line. So line M is parallel to line L. Draw line M parallel to line L with the help of compass. Draw line L with the help of ruler. We have to draw line M is parallel to line L with the help of compass. So draw an angle with suitable measure. Then take suitable distance in your compass and put still point on this point and draw arc which intersect these two sides like this. Then keeping the distance same, put still point of arc on this point and draw arc to the opposite side. Then see, Take distance in your compass. Keeping the distance same, put still point on this point and draw intersecting arc to previous arc. Then join this point of intersection and this point with the help of ruler. We draw line M is parallel to line L. In this case, we use alternate angle. This angle is congruent to this one. Construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm. With the help of ruler, draw segment BC of length 4 cm. Then distance between AB is 3 cm. So take distance in your compass, 3 cm distance. Put still point on point B and draw an arc. Then distance between AC is given 5 cm. Take distance in your compass 5 cm and put still point on point C and draw intersecting arc to this arc. Then join point B and this point. This point is A and join segment AC. So segment AC is 5 cm, segment AB is 3 cm. Hence we completed basic constructions. So please like, share, comment the video and subscribe Bangez Math Academy. In next video we will see practice set 4.1. To get the notifications of new video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.